Hey guys, welcome to yet another part of my awesome review. Today, the software I'm gonna talk about is called Academiyo. You might have heard or not, but it's a one-click academy builder software that creates and sell courses online with zero technical hassles and makes creators $525 per day over and over again. Okay, so you can just start your own profitable course selling business in just 3 simple steps. You can create your own courses or choose from preloaded done for you video courses. Step 2, you can select your own payment gateways to accept payments directly in your accounts, where all major options are included. And in the step 3, you can publish your courses on your own branded e-learning site and keep 100% of the leads and profits in your pocket. No matter what niche, you can teach anything and everything online. Okay, you can teach anything and everything online when it's come to such an awesome platform called Academiyo. So, coming to the importance of this software, why the developers have put in so effort to create this platform is the significance of the ever and fastest growing e-learning industry. Okay, this e-learning industry is a $315 billion fastest growing company. It has grown in importance since the global pandemic has shut doors for many schools, universities, and training institutes. So, this is a great platform for people who want to do the noble task of sharing their knowledge and earning money. So, here are the groundbreaking features that make Academio a cut above the rest. Its elegant marketplace, its engaging blog, its membership site for all your students, its academy home, its beautiful slider, its multiple color themes, its attractive header and menu. You can log in with social media anytime with ease. Its static pages, Google Map is inbuilt in this software. Its SEO and mobile friendly nature. Okay, so everything is inbuilt in this software. You can just quickly sell your courses that attract tons of buyers. Academia makes this a child's play. Okay, so moreover, you will have 100% control of your business. Academia lets you keep all your leads, traffic, and profits without sharing a dime with third-party marketplaces. Academio is the last app you will ever need to start dominating the huge e-learning marketplace. Okay, so there is no doubt that Academio is an awesome software today in this e-learning industry. Okay, so what this Academio software can do for you? Academio gives you a complete system to create courses and sell them online. Okay, it can manage the entire business through one central dashboard. Its highlighted features are awesome. All the heavy lifting is done for you. You only need to integrate your knowledge into Academio, and you can create amazing courses easily that attract sales like a magnet on steroids. Its highlighted features include one-click product creation, sales page builder with editor, reports and analytics, custom domain, free hosting and video player. Okay, free SSL secured subdomains, ticket management system, automated email notifications, members and lead management, 100% GDPR and can spam compliant, and free courses to build list. Okay, moreover it has got seamless integrations with top autoresponders. Okay guys, it has got seamless integrations, so each and every, it's fantastic, each and everything is integrated in this software alone. You don't have to worry about anything. Once you start using this software, you'll feel ease in handling each and everything with this amazing software guys. So your academy will load correctly on every device and is 100% mobile responsive. Okay guys, so that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and let me tell you that if you purchase this amazing software from the link below in the description box, then I'm gonna give you the free book, the copy of the I'm gonna give you a copy of your free book by your free author. And let me tell you how. You can see that I will provide my Instagram ID below. If you purchase this software, then you can just send me the screenshot of your purchase through Instagram, and you can ask me about any book which you like related to any niche, and I am here to provide you with the best possible or I mean to say whatever book you ask for. So guys, I'm gonna give it as a bonus. It's for limited people only, so make the full use of it. Okay guys, so thank you very much. That was all.